Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to work on the foot corrector. We're going to talk about all the different press downs you can do on it. So this is a foot corrector. I'm obsessed with this one. I love how heavy the springs are. It's really great. If you ever are struggling to get present in your workout, start on your foot corrector. I promise you, it'll bring you into the present time that you're in, no matter how stressed out you are when you get started. It's also a great place to finish a session if you struggle to stand in your feet. So what I mean by that is I have my right foot likes to roll in, my left foot likes to roll out. It's really a hot mess. So I have to really be conscious about staying on all four corners of my feet. But with the foot corrector, I can actually train a little bit more of how does that happen. So first one, you want to be about a gait step away, right? So if I was just to take a step, this is where I'd be. And stand up really tall. Try not to look down. If you can put yourself where there's a mirror, that's really great. And then you press down. And it's really easy. Let me show you from this side. It's really easy to want to do this by curling the toes and leaning forward. Please don't do that, right? So you want to keep the toes long and press the ball of the foot down. You can see my left foot is trying to do it too. And so press and lift and press and lift. And something that I would watch for if I was my teacher is when I lift, I would never lean forward like this, by the way, but let me just show you. When I lift the pedal, if I lift it like the big toe side first, or if I lift it the pinky toe side first, that's telling me how my body is using my foot. The goal would be to lift the pedal evenly. And you do, 5 to 10 of these on the ball of the foot. And again, not leaning. That's what leaning looks like. You want to get your hips square. So this hip has to go down. This hip has to come up. And you press and press. And that's the ball of the foot. So if you are struggling in your footwork on the reformer to stand on the whole ball of your foot, great exercise for you, right? Now, arches. So you can place the foot. And what you want to do with this one that's different than arches footwork is I'm not trying to curl my foot here. I'm actually trying to keep the toes and the heel long, like I'm standing on my foot, and you just push down like a piston. And you'll feel the FAS working for you, right? So again, one gait step away. Try not to curl the toes or the heel. Think of your foot like in a toaster. And just push, 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 push. Hips are even, right? And that's going to feel really good. Then we have the heel. So you turn this foot corrector around and you put the ball of your foot on the foot corrector and your heel on the pedal, and then you push. This one's really hard not to hike a hip just because of the position of it, and you push down and you lift up and you push down and you lift. Press. You'll feel so much working. And again, that standing leg, y'all, it's getting a lot of great work, which, if you think about how many different exercises in Pilates, is there a leg reaching in one direction while the other leg is doing something different? That reach is what you're doing standing here right now. So that's really fun. So you have ball of the foot, arch, and heel. Those are your presses on the foot corrector. There is a fun massage. I'll show it to you in another video, but definitely get your hands on this. You can do this in front of your TV. You can do this while you're brushing your teeth. I mean, it'd probably be really hard to do both things at the same time, but if you're a drummer, you could do that. And then after you've done it here, check out how you just stand in your feet. I like to look at my feet and see if I can see the veins of my feet pop out, like as if they got lots of blood flow in there. Like I just worked out my feet. Already my arches feel really lifted. It's great. So let me know how this feels. If you love the foot corrector, have you ever seen the foot corrector? Talk to me in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. It means the world to us. It allows us to bring more videos to you. So keep it going. And thank you for sharing these with all your friends. I'll see you next time.